Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia Minggu tanggal 27 Maret merilis perkembangan terbaru di Ukraina. Tribun Timur mengutip media resmi Kementerian Pertahanan, tentara Rusia melanjutkan operasi ofensif mereka selama operasi militer khusus. Dalam 24 jam, senjata penerbangan jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi menghancurkan pangkalan bahan bakar besar BBM di dekat Lvov. Pangkalan ini menyediakan bahan bakar untuk pasukan Ukraina di Ukraina Barat, serta dekat Kiev. Selain itu, rudal jelajah presisi tinggi juga menghancurkan bengkel pabrik perbaikan radio Lvov di kota Lvov. Di tempat ini pusat perbaikan sistem rudal anti-pesawat Tor dan S-125, stasiun radar untuk Angkatan Udara Ukraina, peralatan perang elektronik, dan reparasi tank. Juga, senjata jarak jauh berbasis laut presisi tinggi menghancurkan gudang rudal untuk sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 dan Buk di Plesetskoye, 30 km barat daya kota Kiev. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer menghantam 67 aset militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Di antaranya, 2 pos komando, 3 depot lapangan dengan senjata dan amunisi, 11 benteng unit Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dan 20 area konsentrasi peralatan militer. Pertahanan udara Rusia berarti dalam semalam menghancurkan 18 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di atas Novaya Basan, Peski, Borispol, Shechorsk, Vishnevo, Kryukovka dan Petrovski, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov. Secara total, 289 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 1.656 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 169 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 684 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 1.503 unit kendaraan militer khusus Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue their offensive in the course of special military operation. On March 26, high-precision, long-range aviation weapons destroyed a large fuel base near Lvov, which provided fuel for Ukrainian troops in western Ukraine as well as near Kiev. In addition, high-precision cruise missiles have destroyed the workshops of Lvov radio repair plant in Lvov city. This enterprise has overhauled and upgraded Tor and S-125 anti-aircraft missile systems, radar stations for Ukrainian Air Force, electronic warfare equipment and sites for tanks. Also, high-precision sea-based long-range weapons destroyed a warehouse of missiles for S-300 and Buk anti-aircraft missile systems in Plesetsk, 30 kilometers southwest of Kiev city. Operational tactical and army aviation hit 67 military assets of the Ukrainian armed forces. Among them 2 command posts, 3 field depots with arms and ammunition, 11 strongholds of Ukrainian armed forces units, and 20 areas of military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means overnight destroyed 18 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles over Novaya Basan, Peski, Borispol, Shorsk, Vishnevoye, Kryukovka and Petrovsky. In total, 289 unmanned aerial vehicles, 1,656 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 169 multiple launch rocket systems, 684 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,503 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.